In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ellipse in AutoCAD. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you'll be able to place a clean, precise ellipse in your drawing with confidence. An ellipse is simply a smooth, closed shape defined by two axes, perfect for representing holes, cams, or any geometry where a circle won't do. Let's get right into it. Start by typing the word ellipse in the command line, then press enter. This is the fastest way to call the ellipse tool. Keep an eye on the command line prompts. AutoCAD will guide you through exactly what it needs next. If you prefer using the ribbon, you can find the ellipse tool there as well. But for this demonstration, we're sticking with the typed command. Now use your mouse to draw and set the parameters of the ellipse. You have two common ways to define it, and both are simple. The first is the center method. Click to place the center of the ellipse. Move your mouse outward to set the length of the first axis. This is like setting a radius, and click to confirm. Then move your mouse in a direction that's perpendicular to the first axis to set the second axis. Click again, and the ellipse is complete. The second approach is the axis end method. Click once to set one end of the major axis, move the mouse to place the other end of that same axis, and click again. You'll see a line that represents the full length across the ellipse. Now move the mouse perpendicular to that line to define the minor axis. Click to finish, and AutoCAD will generate the ellipse based on those two axes. A few quick tips while you drag and click. Watch the command line to know which point AutoCAD expects next. If you need perfect alignment, toggle ortho or polar tracking so your axes stay straight. You can type exact distances at any prompt if you want precise dimensions. Just enter the number and press enter instead of eyeballing it. Object snaps can also help you anchor the ellipse to existing geometry for clean, intentional placement. And there you go. Type ellipse, press enter, and then use your mouse to define its size and orientation. That's all it takes. With these simple actions, you can create an ellipse that fits your design perfectly, whether you're roughing in a concept or placing a fully dimensioned feature. Try both definition methods and pick the one that feels most natural for your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting.